ask you. I ask the woman who killed my son. Oh, you sleep. Oh, you eat. If we walk out in a pathway where everybody keep on telling me one story, he never walk out in the road. When I go and look where the blood there, it never there in the middle of the road. Your boss no mash up. My son fought him thick, and if you lick him with the bus, as you say, he walk out in the road, your boss would mash up. When I go in the station and look at your boss, only thing mash up at the mirror will lick him. It's why I look for my baby on the dead bed. Only thing I can remember of my nice baby. It is a black and blue. In my come out him nose. And it tongue like out him head. How you sleep? So you take my son from me from April the 1st. You don't know what you do to me. You rip my heart out of my chest. And me and my son alone live. No, nobody but my son. And you take it from me. You take my baby from me. And the worst thing about it, you tell lie. Everybody, you witness, they're afraid to come because I don't know what to say to the people that they're afraid to come, but everybody keep on and tell me, you come out and look for my baby, dead body are drunk. The mirror lick him near him head and him lick it on the curve wall and dead. And one way you sleep. When you sleep, my one and only child, you take from me. You take him from me. My life did so sad and my son come and share my life and you take him from me. You take my penny from me. Oh, you sleep. Oh, you eat. Oh, you sleep. Oh, you eat. You just gonna let me so. And Jamaica justice system I tell me say me need witness. Me need witness. And me not no witness. My baby just got dead son. They can't charge me if me not get no witness. After you kill my child, child upon spot. Child upon spot. You kill my baby, I look for my baby. He may even pour up himself where you lick him hard. You lick my child so hard that he pour up himself. Even never come with a speed in the school zone. How he marrow come through his nose and he way you lick him hard. If you did broke him foot and him man, me forgive you. But how me feel lay down and forgive somebody who is so heartless. So heartless. You come out and you look on him body and drive with him. You say with him take him up and even try, I don't did done dead on the spot, but you left him. You left him for dead. And I can never have in my heart. I'm not a person that hate people. But how you'd make me feel. How you sleep. How you sleep.